Hey guys, welcome back to Route 66 Restoration. I'm here. I'm taking a little bit of, try to take a bit of this paint off. As you can see, I think there's some Bondo under there, and there's primer, and then different colors, and it's pretty tough shape. But I'm going to see what I can do to get this off. We're going to try first one of those 90-degree angle grinder pads that they're that plastic, and we'll see how that one works. So this is the pad I'm talking about. So I'm going to use a little bit, and we're going to see how it comes out. Okay, I'm back, and this is like one light pass with that. If I spend a little more time and camp out, I can get it down to this. That's some Bondo that was in there before. There's a dent there. And then down here, comes pretty clean. I like these particular tools. They seem to work pretty well. So I'm just going to keep on going. See how it comes out. So, been over this area a bit. This is still to go, but that top is looking pretty good. So I'll just continue on. I think I actually am going to get my other bigger one that's kind of like the Eastwood SCT, but it's the cheap Japanese version I bought. Look, they even had the louvers filled with Bondo. Oh boy. So it's coming. I've switched over to using this on the bigger area. I bought this 3-4 years ago now. Works okay. I kind of got to give her a little nudge to start. I think it needs some brushes. But anyhow, on we go.